Good morning, children. Welcome to online classes. In this module, I am going to tell you about notices. Notices are short compositions written to convey some information or make a formal announcement about some event like change of name, etc. They are simple and lucid in style. The notices are either posted on the notice board, meant for the purpose, or given in a newspaper. Next is some useful tips. How are some useful tips are here that notice carries almost of 4 to 5 marks. It usually begins with this is to inform or it is hereby informed that. The notice should always answer the questions what, where and when. The signing off should have a signature, name and designation of the person in charge. The word limit of the body should not exceed 50 words. The word notice along with the proper title and the noticing organization should be mentioned. Date of issuing the notice should be mentioned. The name and designation of the person writing the notice should be mentioned. He or she should sign it too. So the one who is going to write the notice, the name of the person, the one who is writing the notice should just write his name, signature and designation in bracket. Next, it should be written in a box. So after writing notice, it should be enclosed in a box. Write in third person. Never write that I want to inform you. It should be always in third person. Also, the language should be formal yet brief, simple and easily comprehended. Notices can be characterized under the following heads. Number first is meeting. If the notice is on meeting, then don't forget to mention date, time, agenda, purpose, objective, chief, preceding person if any, additional information and contact address. If it is on events, then name, objective, occasion, date, time, duration, venue, who can participate it, additional information if any, and contact address. Next is lost and found. Name of the article lost or found, date, place and time, specific marks for identification, contents, whom, when, where to contact, tours and camps, name of the club, association, objective, name of the designation, duration, occasion, expenditure, additional information if any, and contact address. The format is already given here that the name of the institution or organization will come first, then word notice. On left hand side you will write date, then title or heading, and then you will start with the content. This is to inform whatever it is, and don't forget to write date, time and venue the way it's given in the module. The next is the two examples are given here. You are Health Secretary, Students Council, Citizens, Public School, Ram Bagh, Varanasi. The council has decided to start from the 2nd of October a week-long cleanliness drive around the school. Draft a notice in about 50 words asking the class 11 students to enroll for the drive. So here first the name of the school will come, then word notice, date, then title. Then all the students are hereby informed that the Student Council of Citizens Public School is organizing a week-long cleanliness drive in Block A, Ram Bagh. Details are as follows. On the occasion of Gandhi Jayanti, the details are date, time and then meeting point. And then the interested students of class 11th may register their names with the undersigned by 25th September. The next example is of RJ Public School is located in a central government employees residential colony. The Cultural Society of the school has decided to organize a fancy dress show on 25th of January in which Each participant will wear the dress particular to his or her region. The aim is to show the cultural diversity of India. As a secretary, write a notice in about 50 words inviting the names of those who want to participate. So, same here, the name of the school will come first here, and then the name of the colony, notice, date, and then title. This is to inform all the students that a fancy dress show is being organized by the Cultural Society of the school. The theme for the show is regional outfits. The show aims at displaying the cultural diversity of India. The details of the event are as follow. Date, time, venue should be given the way it's given in the module. Students who are willing to participate should contact the undersigned latest by 22nd January. So this is the end. Thank you, children.